What skills does someone need to manage Amazon PPC successfully? I would step back and first off, I would need to know how to define management, because if I know that, I'm going to be able to respond exactly the way you want me to. So for what you want me to respond. Really important, because also I learned this, is Amazon PPC management. Let's define it. If Amazon PPC management for a junior Amazon PPC manager is that they supposed to have the skills of following clear step-by-step, as knowing if you want a report in a certain way, that is the way how they supposed to give you the report. If this is for Amazon PPC intermediate manager, or even if you're doing it, right, then what are the skills that you would need? In this case, you would need to first quality check everything, what a junior manager would do. All the reporting, it's clear and the data is not flawed. Everything, what you're doing on the optimization side, either you're increasing bid, you're decreasing bid, you're pausing campaigns, you're enabling campaigns, are going to be executed perfectly as they supposed to. So you're the quality checker behind the actions taken. You might have a way of gathering all these data and understanding sync patterns. Then you would gather all that information, and ideally you would bring this to an Amazon PPC strategist. I like to call this is a rule maker. They gather that information and they are going to decide based on the information that I was given and I gathered, what am I saying for the next 3 months? Which are the most common bottlenecks that this brand, that this product could face, so I can prepare for that. So they are going to take a more strategic approach to it. I personally took time to understand how do I define these roles within my company, because I was hiring Amazon PPC managers and expecting them to follow instructions, to also be great when it comes down to strategy, know how to calculate 3 to 5 steps ahead. I just step back and realize those are the things I am doing now after 5 years of investing a lot, at least 10,000 hours of my time in understanding the craft. So if I want to hire someone who is a strategist like me or better, then it should make sense that they are going to nail all those skills. If they are not nailing all those skills, then you're going to overpay someone who has a bit of the bottom of junior, they know how to accurately report data, a bit of the intermediate, which is they understand patterns and see, oh, I did this, therefore this is what happened, just because they know that if I'm going to lower the bids, this is going to be my outcome. And then if the brand wants to achieve this specific ACOS or TACOS on a brand level, then these are my next steps, so I can guide them. I hope this is valuable to someone who is either looking to start within this industry and become an Amazon PPC manager, either for someone who is looking to find that Amazon PPC manager to make them successfully.